Welcome to bulldogrealty.com. Check out all of our new home communities organized by the county. Each are located within Northeast Georgia. Many qualify for USDA 100% mortgage financing. Go Dogs! Craftsman style ranch, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, concrete siding with brick accent, patio, open floor plan, kitchen has custom white cabinets, large walk-in pantry, granite kitchen countertops, large kitchen island, wood-burning brick accent fireplace, separate dining area, master suite has walk-in closet, master bath has separate shower and garden tub, double vanity, 2-car garage, harmony plan, home is complete, builder preferred lender special interest rate buydown program available. $15,000 seller credit with you.